Nyanko pardon na. Oka say be fear be ga cut phone. O have platform no so e bia obe change your topic no.
Samu mo.
Because bibia be boom breaking news be about to the fate. We were read through documents now. Na o na say e nkomo bi o see di ahead of the top four na wa ka kire me.
Okay.
Rich. Enra na ebedi eze. Was swindle Tottenham. Na what you see Arsenal say a ho and opesa oko. Enra mo show ni nyina they had a background to a brand way called Arsenal Academy. Now I'm rejecting her at the age of 13. Now I'm calling them now a year eminent. I will say I go back to Arsenal this time around, not to the academy, but as a first team player. And now, Crystal Palace a ball in the Europa Conference League, a winning 1-0. I will say who's back. Now, Eze was not in the lineup. Ebimusi only lineup him because or say or Arsenal and he doesn't want to take risk. Because what job to muda da Arsenal discount or the baba or my bid na to mu later. And then Sky may tell us say, oh, there be any Arsenal Abrantia as the air quintia. Nankamenta no Quenya. He want to play his last game and say a very, very good goodbye to the Crystal Palace fans. Now, Entia almost Sky and say, Abrantia no hold dono. And I was catching the coach and say, because of illness. Ontimi mbo game no ama Oliver Glasner etiase. So that is what Sky report say. And the reason why in tia enra omo share Crystal Palace conference game no omenhu no. Now Rich, my concern was the game time and if I affecting our English national team no, because me gidi say Arsenal team no I set that and baby Abrantia no ebetimi abono. Obviously, on team competing Martin Odegaard in the number 10 row. And Mijidi said Bukayo Saka and Gabriel Martinelli. Emma Asna a certain weight with omu pace as omu profile. And me Musa Eze was some pace in the giddy. And the Abia not ever short in the time. Rich. After the analysis, Enra, Arsenal fans has gotten to me, and majority of them are saying, say, Ayala, you know what you are doing, but Eze will bench Gabriel Martinelli. Arsenal fans say this is going to be their team.
Meaning on your starter.
I'm no money mo team. I'm say Eze be bench Martinelli. Yeah. Me for everywhere I've posted the analysis. What Arsenal fans are going to team. I catch him and say, Ayala, can't say me, can come out to him. Eze, Omujidi say he is a better player than Gabriel Martinelli, and gradually he will bench him. It's my concerns about playing time. I don't know. How much I have to forget about it?
Martinelli better than bench.
Yes. My analysis was based on pace in these areas, and their in tactical sense, your friend width. Yes, all stretchy opponent in the defense and to open typical wing forwards. And mostly, you know, those players on the first attribute rich a pace America. So the ball equal America. And to see a bubble now counter two wings one or far wouldn't say oh pace. But rich, there is one thing as a war which it could make up for the pace in the giddy and the dribbling abilities, you know. Because especially in modern day football, Rich, these spaces now, over front train and they give it to for players 1v1, they are very good. And they think as a 1v1 probably is better than Gabriel Martinelli.
I know San go share Martinelli.
So that is the second point I was coming to.
Martinelli was a chances.
And he pace cheme. But 1v1 makes me take on a chain, which could also play in my advantage. They're rich. The last one is what you mentioned. When they were sending me that review, then I said, okay, let me search in terms of potency and efficiency. Because uchu mutaya in a 4-3-3 omomwo animo training nyina no rich they are strikers in the modern game so your contribution must be the numbers you give nti obeshe goals ana obema more assist ana the contribution to goals ebeyese rich. Then comes this last season as a goals contribution say all the total Arsenal team nimu nyina not only the front trio team nimu nyina rich he is only second to Bukayo Saka in all competitions. Bukayo Saka goal and assist contribution was 26. The Odinachi Leandro Trossard 20. Kai Havertz 20. Declan Rice 19.
Martinelli
no. As for Crystal Palace, I was 25. And I saw this data and said, okay. I think that Mayani Arsenal supporters now are say if there are indicators beer about me am a brand way a winning competition now. I think said this is strong numbers. Rich today football, you pull the numbers, it speaks for you. And you better have a normal besiako. I know there's a video, I can't bring it. Now all crowd in the tunnel of Selwood Park or Hagen Conform supporters pictures. Now or say goodbye, Anessa. And here and say and we are obeying the medicals and sign as an Arsenal player. I think as a conversation, you know, everything at once. But that is what we are getting on the face value. The number speaks for him. Or one attribute we are maybe on the say Gabriel Martinelli, and he will be knocking on the doors to get into the Arsenal team. Now, Rich, before I move on, Sawacha, I've been consistent on this principle. Say, only player be about team. The player must first improve your team. And the only indicator just this player will improve my team and they say, what need to do the award than one? You could appreciate a certain level of improvement via on the count. And this is okay. And this me Bata. And I say me Mikel Arteta. My strongest argument why you must go for as a probably will be this picture. So look, here the advantage the bar. He improved a lot of things because say more goals near sister. Any unknown numbers from even Crystal Palace. I only share a lot of your players, no. So let's give him the opportunity. And see, as a very improving Arsenal team, no. Only the time many I have predicted Arsenal is going to win the Premier League. And go for say I am mad. Mekai special I about Mondays and Thursday. Referee now with him, me last week Monday. I say Ayala, me who will fly of top 4 no now what you see Arsenal and they now who here and I'm saying me who we on can to be a season we will meet at the same place then the one body man the uncle you baba can some so rich enough with Eze Miss Shamo me say Jesse baby rich there are 2 jerseys I've seen in the Premier League so be to be ever chairman from UK me then pa this Chelsea jersey and the black from Man City.
Send me say me Bianca, you na any woo.
Na ga bet ma say.
Go for just in the way the effect.
But wait me ase.
No near some no.
That's level. Very very nice.
Because unsa Ayala so we are. Me live money na me down for bia Chelsea for no. E say me just because of Chelsea. Chelsea ni na me yi mi ti. And then me ba ma wo no Chelsea for agina free me tam.
Mr. Say, oh, UK na.
Let
me do me Chelsea jersey where I retro to Nike Total 90. Very very nice. I white. Oh, they might be 2XL. Me Man City the end there. Menya obi a mini di nkoma. I likely say obi betimi a bring from UK Papa Frane of coach Hene academy. But Chelsea the way they myself who tell me only UK Emirates Monday. The home of where the JC is and the Paconon Koto just Chelsea and also online now on Timmy Emma Mins and Kameshe Rich Chelsea and Timmy and show my first match and there is pressure on the team to win even though they are away by London. And it is coming against a team, Rich. Obia Gini said they've lost a lot of vibe in the last 2 seasons, especially since David Moyes Ekoyeno. Now Fifi Kabibi, and I think it will be the biggest bone of contention for Enzo Maresca. Rich, so we Enzo Maresca in getting your Chelsea lineup. May assure say even though Chelsea are Crystal Palace there, but you will be happy with the goalkeeper and the back line. They were solid. It's on Sanka. Rich, Moesca said, Enzo Fernandez, you may want to keep them. In the Chelsea team right now, Rich, you want to keep João Pedro because the short time you're by, what Chelsea in a difficult game, and as a game of winner, he is your striker to go to. You can't bench Kopama in the number 10 position. And Chelsea wingers from winning, Pedro Neto is number 1.
The messages are about bro 10. All from UK.
Almost saying.
I'm saying a problem. Just a UK message. Almost na and one no matter bro.
Oh, I'm on top. I know some top Mississippi 2XL. And one no.
10.
2XL. What the auto? How you get it to me, you know? It just me also more social media handles.
God bad now one in tea.
It's what me share.
Me sharp. They be
no, Rich. There's only one position.
Okay.
In the Chelsea team, Didi say Enzo Maresca will have to deal with an enemy. And your baby on my Gators a boy in the first game against Crystal Palace. And over 2 options, so on person about come with Gators. Number 1, what Fifi said. Offer Estival Umra. Now offering my right, no push on pushing net on call left. Now on money said you want to our tactical body so. And now sir Rich. So the last time me propose you know. On pushing Kopama. And go the right. Now on put the lap behind Pedro Neto. So that all 2 strikers, one as auxiliary, one as main. Then our Kopama, because of Rhys James, ne runs obey Yentino, obetimi pushy about number 10 to have 2 strikers in front of him. Na Omo Mabo. And I will be expecting that from Oriya friend Enzo Maresca, the kind of decision will be making on the Chelsea lineup. No? But I think say apart from a holiday, all the other players he must keep in the team. Rich, there is something off from this West Ham team.
Say Road Prowse Munina. But West Ham about from too much. Seriously.
But you see, Rich, we shouldn't discount them outright, sir.
I started last season, no.
Me too. But even last season, Rich, there are some flashes of games here. The quality in them came to bear. Because, Rich, Untimin can't tell me all of a sudden, Paqueta a bad player. You can't tell me George Bowen a bad player. You can't tell me what Pause any Suskek a bad players. You can't tell me say on a very very good day, one Bisaka 80 money 10 time Emma Diop ever you know he's quality player. Todibo, Kelman, Agued, Rich, they are quality players. Maybe as a unit, they are not able to give you what we are looking for in the team. Rich, against Chelsea, they will have to up their game because Chelsea will come gun blazing. That was our game, Wemu. They want to win. The way West Ham, Sunderland, Chelsea, it is a very, very weak team. So Chelsea, they will be able to beat them. Now, Rich, the analysis here, I say, because they play in a 3-back position, Rich, Enzo Maresca able to see as the 2 wingers, no, will be very, very important because there is a vulnerability in this 3-back. He needs to take advantage of any selection and I bet share what he wants to do with South spaces. You know, I am tipping Chelsea on Beshe. Okay. I think Chelsea should be able to win South game. You know, a honum. Now, Rich, you see, Villa Epe Nicolas Jackson and Villa Power opening is because Tamana Nicolas Jackson was Spain. No, now our Villarreal. No, now the coach. A good evening. Unai Emery. Into onina ye jumada into onimu no enya Aston Villa nko a Rich Yes, team I friend in Newcastle. And so air consider say Omunya Jackson and Omope. Then one team a surprising conform brave. And so air say Omenum beer or Germany with team I friend Bayern. And reporter Urban said Bayern for the end they are just monitoring the situation. But Nicola Jackson a player be a Omunya. Omu de omunsa ebekwa akoto aduane nim no ma hwe so omu betimi adibia enye Nicola Jackson nkoa. There are rumors say Bayern air consider very don't say they've not reached a consensus for Jackson and Jackson and Sancho say omunya na omope. Yes, board nimu no as there is a minority omope Jackson and Sancho but majority giri say oh Sancho there yenyi emfa emman. So that is what is happening with team your friend Bayern, and that takes me to and then numre Bayern RB Leipzig no build say Rich, this is going to be their lineup. I think so Bayern will beat them.
Okay, Leipzig.
Yeah, Bayern will beat Leipzig.
Okay.
And they can even beat them with more goals. So Bayern win over 1.5 should be very, very okay. The champions of France, Rich, first league game, and then you may against Angers. The only team news are ever and say Avante friend Vicha Carascalia and game nibi because of a premier when you are on the tie. And it's all Luis Enrique name in the squad no onim Rich. Paris Saint-Germain ebetimi ahye game no ena nwumre ewo ehwo no nti the Le Parisien reporting say Bradley Bakola ebebo be bia hu Vicha Carascalia no then Vitinha start game no Abranti friend Zai Emery and ebe start with Fabio Ruiz and João Neves ewo 50. So that is what Le Parisien predict say the probable 11 for Tima your friend Paris Saint-Germain. And they are Friday and there are games. Nti mama ma code na mintimi entrance. And now when FM will show you see when you can be a auto just in the Bremena or the essence of Femiana. The same time I'll call you back. Not yet me Eddie and Comorich. These are the 3 bet will cost and Friday. Yeah, very weekend Muntimisho. Moji announced so what me Eddie Ayala on your money in your piss can be Eddie. First one BWC2 F9 E29. Second one BWC3 007 0F. Then the last one BWC3 05 26 F. Michelle, these are the 3 bet course. Uko my social media handler. Uko Twitter, Usubempa Ayala, and I say Akwasi _Ayala. Ubenya ewo. Uko Facebook, mi wo pages mi no Ayala Sports ewo. And abesma ko Usubempa Ayala. And also ubetima 20 man kachawa. Ubetima ko. Have you gone through?
My kind. I mean, kind. I only nipa